Hello traders, the title of the video is how to trade the RSI Oscillator with eyes wide open precisely. Alright, so I have been talking about RSI, the relative strength index indicator, and I've been recording a series of videos about different ways, different methods, different strategies one can use to improve RSI trading. In this tutorial, I want to talk again about the relative strength index indicator, and this time I will be talking about how to trade the RSI oscillator with eyes wide open precisely. So why eye wide open? So when we are talking about eyes wide open, we want to pay attention to the price and also to the indicator. So asking the most important question, what are we looking for? All right, so we want the RSI, you see here, going down from overbought to oversold. This is it. It was on the zone of 90 level, and now it went down all the way to the oversold zone. So it was overbought, and going down to the oversold zone. Very good. All right. When you see that, now see the RSI going from overbought to oversold, now pay attention to the price. Now you forget about the RSI, you switch your attention to the price. Ask the question, did the price exhibit a cycle point? Did the price turn around 180 degrees? If the answer is yes, there is a high chance that we may see a reversal at the cycle point right here. That's all. So you may say to me, George, I don't have to watch the full length for this video. Now, please stay with us as we continue this discussion because I'm going to keep it very short, okay? All right, so this is it. So RSI goes down from overbought to oversold. Price perform 180 degree turn, return to the cycle point. As the price reaches the cycle point, RSI also is in oversold zone. If now you see here, this candle see by the bullish one here. From a bullish engulfment, if you agree with me. Now after that candlestick bar is closed, we now implement a top-down trading method to buy it. We can apply this strategy on a 4-hour time frame, looking for that specific trading setup on a daily chart, for that specific trading setup, weekly chart, monthly chart, quarterly chart, yearly chart. If you see on the quarterly chart, you know as a swing trader, you know that you have many months for swing trading strategy. So do not assume that it will always reverse. That's very, very important point. Especially if you are a new trader, do not assume. Sometimes the price may pierce through the cycle point and continue to go down. So you may say, oh, George, that trading system, that trading method does not work. It does work. We want to use different time frame trading method to control the risk. It is a trading setup. That trading setup will generate a trading signal. If that signal is fired, we want to check whether there is a low risk entry point to enter the trade in a viable market environment. If not, we may have the trading setup, the signal, but if the entry point is useless, the risk is too high, or the market environment is not suitable, we'll put it aside. So once you see that the relative strength in I'm using the RSI period 14, by the way, it goes down from overbought to oversold, price perform 180 degree turn, all right? You're likely to see a reversal here. Sometimes it may not happen, but very often you will see that the price may turn around at the cycle point as the RSI is. What is happening here? You may say to me, John, we can trade it better way. All right, there is it. So first, what you will be noticing, you will be seeing a bearish divergence. So first scenario, you see that the price is disagreeing with the RSI. So this is it. All right, so that's the first thing you are noticing. So divergence or disagreement between the price and the RSI, the first stage of the price action. Here it is. There is a disagreement. All right. Now, as the RSI continues to go down, there is a compliance. Should we use that word? Compliance. Now the price is following the RSI. So the reason why we are expecting a reversal here is because of that compliance. So there is a divergence. So you can trade it here. So price, so common set trailer is couple. This is a nice one here. So you see bearish divergence, price going up, RSI declining. You don't just sell. Here it is. There was a setup here. What was that? Break below, retest, implement a top-down trading method to trade like a pro. They bring it down here. So the cycle point, there was a first reaction and a second reaction before it went back up again. But if you are buying here, don't be too greedy. You can see here it went up a bit, but there will be some reaction here, a bit of bounce up. Don't be too greedy. So there is a divergence first during that move where the RSI is going from overbought to oversold, and then there is a compliance. Now the price following the RSI. As people sold it, they saw that divergence. There was a trading setup here, compliance. Because there is a compliance agreement between the RSI and the price, if the RSI start turning around on oversold zone, because there is a compliance between the price and the RSI, there is a high chance that the price will also go up at the point where the RSI is also turning. This is a kind of a confirmation signal, disagreement first or divergence first between the RSI and the price, and then confirmation between the RSI and the price, or compliance of the price to the RSI. As we see that the RSI is about to turn around, because there is a compliance or confirmation, there is a high chance that the price may also turn around. Have I been talking too long? 6 minutes so far. But remember, the trading drill, all right? Use the trading drill. First, find a trading setup, either on the 4-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame, daily chart, hourly time frame, weekly chart. Then break it down. Use different time frame trading method. It's very important. This will help you to improve this strategy. Though it looks very simple for new traders, all right? I recommend that trader practice. Use a demo account, work on it, master it before going live, all right? If you do not like it, don't use it, all right? So this is the best approach, so you don't just go and say, I like this very much. I will now go open a trading account and start trading. Don't do that, okay? All right? You practice first, master it, understand what is happening, all right? The opposite is also true, as I got 1 minute left, when the RSI will go from oversold, okay, to overbought, all right? And the price will perform 180-degree turn. So RSI from oversold to overbought, and the price is doing something like this. Look at this. Price will go down first, disagreeing with the RSI that is rising, and then the price will comply with the RSI by going back up with the RSI. As the price reaches the cycle point, what we will expect? Price reaches cycle point, RSI also was overbought. If the RSI is started turning around at overbought zone, because we are in a compliant period, so to speak, the price may also follow the RSI going back down. So possibility that we may see a reversal when the RSI finally reaches the overbought zone. All right, but as you see first the divergence, you may trade it. So which means divergence, price break below that trend line, retest it. If there is one, all right, if there is one, you will participate in that divergence trading instead of waiting for the scenario to be completed. But for this strategy, if you do not want to trade all the divergence and the rest, you see RSI from overbought. So it's from overbought to oversold. Price perform 180-degree turn. The RSI in the oversold zone start turning. Possibility that the price may follow also and start turning. The RSI goes out from oversold to overbought. All right. And the price perform 180-degree, which means it goes down first, disagree with the RSI, and then goes up. If the RSI is about to turn around overbought zone, there's a high chance that the price may follow suit. Doesn't mean just buy or sell. What do you need to do? Use multiple time frame trading method to trade it. As always, my friend, if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. I really appreciate the feedbacks. All right, it means that I'm not alone talking to myself. All right, I like the feedback, and I really thank traders for giving us their feedback. Very important for us. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you find it very useful, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another useless recording, be sure to give us the thumb down. That will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders.